morning.
Monday.
It's Monday workout day. And what are you doing
We
today?
are doing back and we're doing chest, and today I am doing some pull downs.
Okay.
Getting started. It's hard to get started again Monday morning.
These machines make it so easy.
Doing 3 sets of 15.
Okay.
And I'm doing kind of a weenie. I'm doing it on 25 pounds for my first couple. And then maybe I'll boost it up a bit.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my 3rd set.
And what's this machine called?
It's called a pull down.
Pull down?
And
Okay.
it is working my back and actually a little bit of my triceps.
Okay.
I don't care about that though. We're doing back and chest today
Okay.
because we haven't done those in a while and because they need it.
They need it. You make sure you get all the parts of your body.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that was how many?
That was my 3rd set of 15. And
Okay.
then we're moving on. That's a good note to have.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Yes, go.
Okay, so I'm
15
doing
sets of the row machine.
and I'm doing 40 pounds, and actually I'm going to do 3 sets again of 15. So for all you people out there that have been sitting on the fence waiting for Christmas and New Year's to come, get your butts down to a Planet Fitness. It's only $10.
I know, $10 a month.
Get your butt out there and use this. If you can't do it by yourself, you find yourself a friend, find yourself a gym partner when you get here.
Yeah, it's been really helpful having us together, huh?
Work out.
Let's do a side view.
On my last set of 15, I am done. I'm moving on to the next one.
Okay. Chest press. Here we go.
Oh, I can feel this one.
Can you?
Yeah.
Good. It's only going to get harder from this time only. But you might as well start Monday with a bang, right?
Yeah, so this is my 3rd set of 15, and then I'm on to the next.
Oh no, we're just going to show you, like we've already showed you our arms, we've already showed you our abs. Now we're showing you the chest
We're
and
going a little bit more in detail, I think, today.
and
because
bicep.
We're just showing a little bit more exercises, just to give it.
Okay, so we're showing you one of each, but you actually do 4 of each of 15. That's what
I do 3.
you do. 3, I do 4.
Especially when we have a lot to do today.
Okay.
Unless, because a lot of people don't have an hour to be in the gym. If you guys can even do a half hour in the gym and just do
Half
those
hour to an
shakes,
hour is a good goal to set for yourself.
So good. Oh, I gotta make sure I'm doing
Okay,
it.
so this is the
This is the
back extension.
And I'm doing it on 55.
So we're kind of like going over everything so that if you're just starting out, like we were, this could be you could go with this workout that we're giving you. You're welcome.
Oh, this feels so good.
We'll be your personal trainers.
We're being our own
We're doing it ourselves. There's so many great videos that you can get. Actually here on YouTube, and also Pinterest has some great workout tips when you're just getting started. Don't do too many weights when you're first starting, because you don't want to get too sore that you just stop. We've just been working our way up.
Doing the machines at first has been easier for us to get back into it.
Yeah.
Because free weights are a little harder. We're starting to do free weights now, but these machines are everything you need. Just pick a body part and look at the pictures and just find all the machines that have that body part. If you know nothing else about it.
Yeah.
That's perfect. This feels so good. But this is my last one.
So 4 sets of, she does 3 sets of 15. I do 4 sets of 15.
She does 4 sets and makes me wait 10 minutes.
Yes. Okay, so now she's on this big machine. I'll record this way so that I'm not recording this guy. And again, 3 sets. Three sets. Three sets.
It's hard to get back into it.
Yeah.
Woo-wee.
Okay. Okay, what's this?
This is the dual pull down pulley.
Pull down pulley? Okay. The hair's a mess. And see, I'm not making you talk during it. That's right. Never talk, just do it. Do it, bitch. Whoops, I'm not supposed to talk.
You're not supposed to talk nasty. Number 18. Although some 18-year-olds talk nasty.
Yeah, they do. So you're just pulling, easy breezy.
Just pulling.
You're just pulling,
It just hurts.
just pulling, no big deal.
Just pulling. No big deal. And the front.
Okay, we're doing the back and the front of this. Okay. Okay, are you done?
No.
Okay. So again, 3 sets of these. 3 sets of these.
Yeah.
You got it.
I got it. Cindy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is the same machine but only forward.
Here's the pectoral fly.
The what?
Pectoral fly.
Pectoral fly.
That's what they call it.
Girl, you be looking fly.
I mean, looking pectoral.
You be looking fly, girl. So again, how I said to ensure your summer body is to do this in the winter time, and then magic, no more Spanx. Your body is your Spanx. I used to say that all the time when I was a Beachbody coach, that I hated Spanx because it's like false advertisement.
Oh, that looks like it hurts too.
Yeah, that hurts. I'm not there yet.
Okay, this is my last set of 15, and I'm starting to feel, my muscles are screaming, hallelujah.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Woo. Oh boy.
What's this one called?
And later less than that.
Chest press?
I don't know. I'll
Chest
have to-
press?
I'll have to check.
Okay.
I just know it's for your chest.
Chest press. Chest
This is my
press.
third set, 15.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you did it. This is all in the same day, mind you. Oops, I gotta get over because I'm gonna get him. What are they called?
I don't know, I told you
Okay, we don't know.
when I had them.
Something.
Incline,
Incline.
incline.
Incline, something, something, something,
That's why it's
fly.
for you instead of recording me. So you remember.
She's getting her boobies firm.
Oh, I'm getting tight.
Look at that tight body.
Oh. All right, 2 more.
Okay,
And I'm done.
good job. Those are hard too, so I think I'm gonna stick to the 5s on those. Curls.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
These are called reverse fly.
Oh, reverse flies. Don't mind me. I just say whatever. Kind of get you the different angles. Okay.
All right.
That concludes today's.
Last one.
And remember, do 3
Okay.
sets. 3 sets of each.
Hope
Bye.
You guys have a great day. Okay, guys, so we were going to get on the hydro massage, but they're doing some stuff to it. So we're on the other one. Woo! This is just as nice. These are the ones you find in the mall. They're a little harsher because they don't have water. They have like balls that ram into your back. But that's okay. Look at us. We're just having a great day. Just relaxing. And then we're going to go for a walk. See you later, guys. Bye! Okay, that's why. Guys, all decided to have a good day with us. Hope you follow us. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my YouTube video or my...
Look at how skinny she is. Skinny legend.
Click the bell
Skinny
above
bitch.
so that you get all my videos.
SkinnyBitch.com.
Chat with you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.